Hi guys, my name is Theetso Thuku. I'm age 15 and my passion is to become a fashion model. I want to be the Tyras, the Heidi Klums. I want to see myself in New York, the city that never stops. I want to see myself make it big, but I need you to support me in making this dream a reality. So my inspiration is Tyra Banks. She's kind, she's loyal, yet she is professional. She makes sure she does what she's supposed to do. So as Theetso, I stand here and ask you to support me in making my dream a reality. Because there's nothing more satisfactory than living a dream that you've dreamt of since forever. So I need you to make me a reality. Give birth to me as a model. I want to represent Botswana. So yes, thank you so much. Vote for me.